Hello, you're looking at a Sandpiper by Forest River, fifth wheel. It is a 28.5 RG, so I imagine it's around 30 feet. I have to look that up exactly. Very nice condition, serviced, ready to go. All the appliances work. It is not a heavy fifth wheel, so it doesn't take a huge truck to haul it. And it is a 2006. Nice big slide out area. Power landing legs. Nice storage underneath. Nice and clean under there. Ready to go. Can be used just like it is, without doing anything. This RV came from a large RV dealer where the owner had some failing health problems, and he got rid of all his inventory, and that's where it came from. It was a trade-in there. Gorgeous inside. The color combinations are beautiful. They really are. Fold-out sofa. Nice dinette. The woodwork is great on these Forest Rivers. I believe it's done by the Amish people, and they do a fabulous job quality-wise. Got an RV fridge, microwave, oven, stove, manuals here. Look at the sink. I mean, that looks hardly used at all. Nice window treatments, shades all the way around. I haven't pulled up to get some light in here so we can see. Of course, heat and air and all those things. Power slide, place for the TV, entertainment center. Nice big sleeping area with a mirror there. Lots of cabinets, hanging lockers, drawers and things. Nice vanity and sink. All winterized, by the way. And look, still has the labels on it, which usually means to me hardly used at all. Hardly used at all. Nice John area, doored off. So if you're looking for a good looking RV at a cheap price, this one is being sold no reserve. So the top bidder will get it. Has a nice color scheme. Goes with anywhere, the beach or the mountains, the green. You will get, the buyer will get, a clear title to this vehicle, a 60-day temporary license tag for driving it back, of course a bill of sale and all that. It is no reserve, so please do not bid unless you have your finances together. You don't have to pick it up for 30 days. But it does have to have a $250 deposit within 24 hours by PayPal or overnight check. If we don't get this deposit, it does allow us to sell it to anyone else or relist it. Then the balance is due within 7 days. Again, you don't have to pick it up right away, but it does have to be paid for within 7 days. We're a small dealer and we turn our inventory fast. But if you're looking for a clean, no odor RV, expensive RV at a cheap price, look what these 06 Sandpipers are selling for on eBay, Craigslist. Just Google it and look what people are selling them for, and look what you're going to get this one for. Nothing wrong with it. It's ready to go, and it's good looking. Like I said, good looking and no odors. If you have questions, email me and I'll call you, or I'll give you my number. You can call me. Price to sell, auction, no reserve, it's going to sell. Buy this Forest River.